Wake up in the morning, it's not so bad. I can taste you on my lips and it makes me sad. There's a part of me that just wants you back. You're the one thing I want that I never did.